In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, curved text effect that follows the edge of your image and looks polished and intentional. Start by adding your image to the canvas, then add a text box. You can type your headline or any short phrase you want to curve. Keep things simple at first so you can clearly see the effect. Place the text near the image so you have a sense of where you want it to wrap. This setup gives you the basic elements you need before you apply the curve. Next, click directly on the text box to select it. You'll know it's active when you see the bounding box and the top toolbar updates with text options. Selecting the text box first is important, because the curve effect only appears when the text object is active. With the text box selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. In the Text Effects panel that opens, choose the Curve option. This is the built-in tool that bends your text into an arc. As soon as you select Curve, you'll see your text curve slightly on the canvas. This is the foundation of the wrap effect. Now adjust the curve slider to wrap the text along your image's edge. Drag the slider to the right for a stronger arc or to the left for a gentle bend, and position the text close to the image so the curve matches the contour you're aiming for. Small adjustments go a long way. If the curve feels too tight and hurts readability, ease off the slider a bit. If it's too subtle and doesn't follow the shape enough, increase the curve gradually. As you tweak, you can nudge the text box closer or farther from the image to fine-tune the look. The goal is a clear, readable curve that visually hugs the image without crowding it. Take a moment to preview your canvas at normal size to make sure everything feels balanced. If you notice spacing that looks off, slightly adjust the curve slider again and reposition the text so the arc aligns neatly with the image's edge. Trust your eye here, smooth and natural usually beats extreme curvature. And that's it. You added your image and text, selected the text box, applied the curve effect, and used the slider to shape the wrap around your image. Save your design when you're happy with it, and you're ready to share. Thanks for watching.